What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to show you a very simple task. This can be taken for granted though. If you know what you're doing, this may be a joke to you, but if you don't know what you're doing, we're going to show you how to replace windshield wipers on your truck, car, SUV, or whatever it is. Alright, this is the old one. We already did one side. We're going to show you how to do the other side. Okay, so first things first, of course, locate the windshield wiper and lift it just enough so you can release it. If you look closely, this one has a tab. Hold on, let me try to zoom in real quick. Let's see. There we go. This thing has a tab right there. We need to push this tab down and then pull it towards us. So I'm gonna try to get my boy to do it here for us so he can show you. Here we go. Alright guys, so as I was showing you, once you press on that tab using both hands, I'm going to press on this tab right here and I'm going to use both hands and pull towards me, and you should be able to remove it. Alright, just like that. Careful you don't let this spring back and you may break your windshield. So now we're going to show you how to install this. As you can see, we have to press on this tab and open this up, and now we're going to lift this up and put the wiper through here. Make sure it hooks and it clicks. It clicks. There we go. And now we close it. Bam. That's how you replace your windshield wipers. There you go, guys. Out with the old, in with the new. This is all sticky. Now with some, real nice, smooth, upgraded windshield wipers. Got the windshield replaced too, so we gotta get new windshield wipers on this, right? Well, there you have it, guys. That's how simple and easy it is to replace the windshield wipers in your car, truck, or SUV. Excuse me, I'm looking all rough right now. I need a haircut, but who cares, right? As long as you got your windshield wipers done, that's all that matters. Hey, thank you so much. If you're sticking around, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll keep these videos coming to you. This little common sense ain't that common around here, you know what I'm saying? So we got to make sure that we put that content out there for you, so in case you ever need it, we got it. Thank you, guys. Have a good one.